Good morning everyone, my name is Mohammad Ahmed Karim. Today I am going to talk about materials. This is a glass, this is made of glass materials. This is an eraser, this is made of rubber materials. This is a pencil, this is made of wood materials.
Give you some more material.
This is a block, this is made of wood materials.
Can you show me some more wood materials around our classroom? Some more wood materials.
This is a table, this is made of wood materials.
Very good. Now go.
This is a water balloon, this is made of metal materials.
Spoon.
This is a spoon, this is made of metal materials.
Very good.
This is a stone, this is made of rock materials.
Very good.
This is a paper, this is made of paper material. This is a tissue box, this is made of paper material. This is a water pot, this is made of plastic material.
Can you show me some more paper materials around our classroom?
That is a colored paper that is made of paper material.
Very good. Give a big clap to Karim.
Thank you.
Then Binisha, would you like to come here?